Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can contact 1xBet live chat support. So, this is really useful if you need the quick assistance with deposit, withdrawals, account issues, or promotions, or whatsoever. So, yeah, make sure that you've logged in or have your account ready. And once you're here, what you will have to do is look for support or help section. So, it should be somewhere right here on the bottom of your screen, but it really depends on the layout of your screen. So yeah, once you see customer support or something similar to that, what you will have to do is basically you will just have to look for live chat if it's available for you or call back. So just go ahead and click that. So what you will have to do is you will just have to enter your query, your phone number and then your query. And yeah, you have to be specific. So it could be like I want to verify my withdrawal or I can deposit my funds. So it really depends on what you need. So yeah, that's what you will have to do. And of course your phone number, and if it's requested, you should also provide your account details, and you will just have to wait for the support agent to respond, and you just gotta follow their instructions really carefully. And yeah, by the way, you should be clear and polite, and this will ensure faster and more accurate support. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.